My name is Casey Michalski, and I'm actually from Boulder, Colorado. And I was sent here by my managers because I thought it'd be a useful class to assist with my career. I majored in environmental science, and I'm in environmental remediation now. So I needed a little bit more technical training, and they thought this class would be useful, so they sent me up to Oregon. I feel like the introductory course of chemistry was a good, refresher for any professional, especially, it's been about 6 years since I've had chemistry. So we went through the basics, and then everything's evenly paced. The instructor answers questions appropriately, and it doesn't seem like we're rushing through the material, which is helpful. I think this class in general taught me that I only deal with a specific set of chemicals, specifically uranium, plutonium, and nitrates. So to see the applicability to other chemicals and to see the relation between the two has actually helped the ideas really cement in. The applicability just has opened up, and that in general has made it useful. So if I do leave this position, then I'll be able to use these skills wherever I go. The course in general, especially yesterday, the refresher course, introductory fundamental course, was a good refresher, and I think that any professional should have the class, once a decade, especially people who get stuck behind the desk just reviewing data to kind of remember why they're doing it, the fundamentals, the basics, and then heading into the more general thematic ideas of groundwater transportation with different types of media and even the applicability at different sites. So I think just seeing the bigger picture is important, because I think that so many professionals get stuck with their specific site that they forget the overall applicability of the science. The teaching style of this class is, I'm a very visual learner, and I think that is a huge aspect of the class, especially with the slides and being able to take notes. And we have a couple references to YouTube videos, so being able to use the media in general, and then even the simple, here's a question, go work on it for a couple minutes, and then we'll come back and review it, is helpful, especially when you can work with somebody else. So it's hands-on in that aspect, and I thought it was going to be more lecture-based, but it's been a lot of question answering, and I think that the students have given a lot of feedback, which has made the class more worthwhile, because you get their perspective as well, not just the lecturers. Well, I think it helps too, and this is my first job out of college, and to know that other people are doing similar things to what I'm doing. We talk to each other during breaks, and we kind of, it's good networking as well, especially for a young professional like myself. And I'm down in Colorado, and everyone's up in the Oregon, Washington area, so it's been really good networking. I will definitely recommend the class to colleagues and even peers that are looking for something a little, a step beyond what we took in college, or just a refresher.